Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to be doing another amazing abstract art. So for this, the very basic things that we need, everybody would be having that one at home. And please guys, if you haven't subscribed my channel, go and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of my videos. So for today, the things that we need for the abstract art is any shape that you think that you have at home. So I'm using this steel sort of thing, and even you can use the cardboard of the toilet paper. And for that way we need a brush, depends that what size of your canvas is or what size do you want to work with. And you can use either the kitchen paper or you can use the piece of a cloth. So let's get started. So guys, the very first color that I have taken is the mid yellow and the yellow ochre. Now we're going to blend it roughly just like this, and we won't bother about being very neat blending. Okay, so the next color that I have used is orange. Added the scarlet color. Now I'm using cobalt blue. And next color is emerald green. Just a few parts. And as I mentioned before, that now it's time for the kitchen paper, or you can use the cloth. So I'm using this one, it's having a bit texture. So we are going to grab it like this and we're going to dab the colors so that to have the beautiful texture. Okay guys, so now I have dried the lower part and I have pasted the masking tape. Now it's time to do the edges of the masking tapes. So I've taken here black and a little bit of phthalo blue. So we're going to put only just the sides or the edges of the masking tape. And it's a rough application. Later on we're going to use again a piece of cloth. And now here I'm taking a bit of violet and black. Even now with that blending, so we can blend it through this way. this is just a piece of cloth. Painting a little bit texture, we can put cross to some points. And put it randomly to some of the part of the painting and dab it. Color with the cardboard of the toilet paper and then use it as a shape on the top of our painting. Few points. Using the same cardboard, we're going to have the black color as well to some of the circles. We're going to overlay it with the black. You can see that this is overlapping the color, and that's what beautifies the painting. And now I'm using this piece of paper and just grabbing some color, and we'll be dabbing that one as well in our painting. Now we're going to peel off the tabs. Will be sprinkling on the painting, so it's just like this. Which was in the outside, painting is ready. So it's up to you if you want to display this one this way or the other way. You can use either sides. Hope so that you like it, guys, and please, if you like, press the thumbs up button below, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, please go and subscribe it, and see you with another amazing video. Take care, bye bye.